This is an introduction to Stereophotomaker, just a brief introduction to setting up images so that you can start to use it fairly quickly. This is the interface. It's just a blank window with a couple of icons. If you want to call your images in, you can click on this icon, or you can select import left and right images from the file menu. We'll click on this icon and we'll select two sequential images. That was the left image, this is the right image. Doesn't matter which order they come in because we can adjust them once they come in. Progress bar down the left lower side of the window shows you the import in progress. These are about 80 megabyte files, so they take about 20 seconds or so to come in. That one is just about fully loaded. Right, that one's loaded. Now the second image is coming in. When the second image loads, it'll place them side by side inside the Stereophotomaker window. Just a few more seconds. Right, those two files are loaded, and if you quickly look at the two sequential images, you'll see that there's an area of common landscape in both. You can see the area of overlap in this case will extend from this edge of this photo, which is about here on this photo, to the edge of the map sheet, or the edge of the photo. And just notice this next icon, if you can see that. I'll explain that in a moment. Now, because the stereo overlap extends from about here to the edge of this image, and from here to about here on this image, these need to be swapped over. So we use the swap left and right icon. Now you can see that the area overlap is from here to here, and from here to about here. We'll now go into alignment mode, which is Control A. It's also selectable from the menus. Click on this house, click on the house over in this image. Those images are now aligned as a stereo pair, and if you look at it through your separate viewer, you should be able to see that as a stereoscopic image, if your viewer is aligned properly. Now, we'll zoom in on this area here, so I'll press F2 to zoom in, and it will zoom in centering on the area where the cursor is. So if I keep zooming in on this area here, I'm now up to about 100% zoom. That's about 110% zoom. You can read that off down the bottom of the screen. And these images can be moved around in concert with one another. Now, because there's absolute alignment between the photos can vary with zooming, we'll press Control A for alignment mode again. We'll pick a point on the left image, the same point on the right image, and now they're aligned. Just check it with my viewer. Yes, that's aligned perfectly for me. Having placed the stereo pair into alignment, we can also view it as an anaglyph. Click on this icon. It has a number of different options, but we'll just use the basic one, which places a red cyan anaglyph on the screen, and we can view that with red cyan glasses and move around the same as what we can with the stereo pair. Go back to side by side. Now, to adjust the photos and align them more accurately, you can go into the easy adjustment mode, and you can rotate either image, you can zoom either image, and you have a range of other adjustments: barrel, distortion, horizontal and vertical perspectives. You can increase it to 100% size, and then zoom to a particular area just by dragging, and then align it at that size. So there's a range of controls. You can also print out your images, either as anaglyphs or as stereo pairs. You can put titles on, different fonts, different sizes. You can add images like logos and such to the image as well. And that's basically what Stereophotomaker does. Investigating the menus will show you a range of different options, but in short, for a free program, it does an exceptionally good job.